What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this 90s inspired flipped ends hairstyle. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Thank you so much to Royal Me Hair Company for sending over this super cute wig as well as sponsoring this video. The wig that I'm going to be wearing today is their Audrey wig, and it's inspired by a look that Kylie Jenner did. So it came pre-styled already in this super cute half up, half down look. As well as the wig, they sent over a few cute accessories too to go along with it. They included these cute little pearl hair clips, some colorful bobby pins, as well as a little card to kind of show the rest of their hairstyles. So this is what the wig looks like right out of the packaging. It is pre-styled, pre-plucked, and it has a super natural hairline. So for me, my wig got kind of squished during shipping, so I'm going to be going ahead and just kind of zhuzhing it up a little bit, you know, getting her back together so that way we can go ahead and install it. So first things first, I'm just going to go back and re-straighten the hair using my flat iron and flip those ends over again. So I'm just going to do one pass with my flat iron to straighten the hair and then another pass to flip the ends. And to do that, I pretty much just turn my flat iron inwards and then drag it towards the ends so that way it kind of gives that bend. As I was straightening the hair, I really loved the texture of this hair. It's super soft. It didn't tangle at all. There was literally no shedding at all. Like, I didn't see any type of shedding. I definitely want to try their other wigs because this hair was like almost too good to be true. It's so easy. Like, even installing the wig was super easy. You'll see later on, I didn't even have to use like the bald cap method. Like, everything about this wig was just like a 1, 2, 3 go type thing. But yeah, guys, I'm really loving the way this wig is constructed. It just makes it 10 times more functional for people who really like to wear wigs on a regular basis, and much easier for the person who's just starting out. So that's pretty much what the wig looked like once I was done straightening it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of plucking now because I did try on the wig at first and the hairline is a little bit different than what my natural hairline looks like. So in order to kind of make it more realistic, I just wanna do a little bit of plucking so it kind of matches my natural hairline a little bit better. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of that, nothing too crazy though. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this wig. I already have my wig cap on. I placed the wig on top. Like I said, I'm not doing the bald cap method. This hairline already looks super natural, so I didn't even feel the need to do the bald cap method. So I just went straight into like securing that lace down. So before I secure the wig down, I'm gonna go in with my scissors first and just cut away any excess lace by my ears. So that way the wig fits a little bit more comfortably. I love the fact that it also has like an elastic band on the back, so it made it even easier for me to apply this wig and secure it down. I didn't have to like constantly like hold it and make sure it's like in place and everything like that. It kind of stayed in place on its own. So yeah, once I have it fit and everything and in place, I'm gonna go ahead and start securing that lace down using my Got to Be Freeze spray. And I pretty much just work in sections like I normally do. I'm gonna start towards like the crown of my hairline and then kind of work my way out from there. And you just wanna make sure that you have your hairspray completely dry before you go on to cutting your lace. So our lace is now secure. I'm gonna start cutting away all that excess lace. I did a little bit of extra plucking as well right before I cut away the lace, just to really make sure that that hairline matches with mine a little bit better. And now it's time for my favorite part. We're gonna start styling our baby hairs. I'm gonna pull a few little strands from the front of the hairline and just kind of push them forward to kind of gauge like what, like, you know, how thick I want my baby hairs to be today. I had a picture of Lori Harvey like right in front of me as I was doing my baby hairs because I love her baby hairs so much. They're just like so perfect. So I was trying to use her as like inspiration for mine. I'm gonna cut them pretty short, like a little bit shorter than I normally would. I do have a lot more hair than I also normally would, so I was kind of nervous about that. Just make sure you keep your tweezers like handy just in case you need to pluck away a few like extra hairs if your baby hairs are a little too thick. So I styled my edges today using the Iso Plus wrapping foam. I only used a really small amount of this because I didn't want my edges to look too like styled, if you know what I mean. And just a small bit just to kind of get the hairs going in the direction that I want them to go. And I'm also using my little edge brush to style them today. And in those places where I felt like my edges were a little too thick, I used my tweezers and just kind of pulled a few hairs here and there just to kind of get that desired like thickness that I'm going for. And that's pretty much it with the edges. I know that this hair was pre-styled in like a half up, half down, which is super cute. I really love that, but I really wanted to kind of wear this hair down for today. I just thought it looked super cute with like the length that it's at. So I'm gonna be doing a really deep side part with this hair, which is kind of perfect anyways, because the way that the hair was parted originally, it kind of like worked like in the same direction that I was like parting the hair myself. So I'm just gonna go in with my flat comb or my hot comb and yeah, just kind of press the hair down just to make sure everything is laying nice and flat. I'm doing a few finishing touches with my flat iron again. I'm just pretty much just straightening the like ponytail part of the style because I hadn't flat ironed that part yet. So I'm just going back in with my flat iron and straightening it and then just flipping those ends again. And then finally, to secure the style, I'm gonna go back in with my Got To Be Freeze spray and just add a little bit of that onto the top of the hair where the roots are to kind of flatten any flyaways, make sure the hair is staying in place. But that's pretty much the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I've been loving like these little hair tutorials. I think they're so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed them as well. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.